Wagwan, wagwan. Wagwan, you guys. It's your girl Queen Mo here. And just chilling at work. Stepped out real quick just to send this quick message. Um, Stay tuned for more things. There's definitely a shift in the atmosphere that just for greatness in itself to be tried. You will be tried, but there's definitely a shift in the atmosphere for greatness and to be on a journey to love and to self-love and also a peace of mind and just respects. Shout out to my husband to be, my JamaicanKing. Um, Big ups to him just for being awesome. And I don't know, you guys, there will definitely be more videos, more freestyles, more poetry, definitely more poetry in the near future, and some other things. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I hope you guys are being great kings and human beings, kings, queens, and human beings. And that's all I got for you guys so far. So continue to be great and encourage yourself. God bless.